Cool. So now we moving on to question 5, and this is our project UI. This is the class that I made earlier, um, so that I could set up my so I could set it up accordingly. Here we can test all our other classes and make sure that they are working correctly, and that's what we can do in this video. Cool. So write a project UI that will allow simple input output. So IO, if anyone says IO to you, it means input output. Um, cool. So it's a simple IO. And social outreach team have a new project to collect clothes for the residents for the residents of an old age home. The project can have at most 12 members and is classified as indoor. Declare and instantiate a project object using the information as parameters in the appropriate place in the code. So this is our main class. We should, yeah, create our main class, and this is a new project. Project proj. Cool. Next, add code that will sort and then display all the student objects. Cool. So we can have proj.sort, and then after that we can print out our dot. I think it's the toString. Can print out dot toString. Let's see if this works. It's the first time running it, and cool. It's an indoor project, so that's why I have both here. It's an indoor project. And I'm getting null for some reason. I will fix that soon. Null. Cool. Cool. Let's so like when you get a scenario like this kind of show you how to deal with it or handle the situation. Um, so it has been reading in the files correctly, and this could be a problem. I'm just gonna change it to name or to n so that this works here. Seems that it was working. I don't think it is a problem, but just so that things can be different. Um, Next we have this cannot find symbol scanner. Scanner, but that symbol is not there that I can see. Um, cool, but we have our name, our in. This is, I think, why it's also not working. So our is equal to in name. This dot max is equal to in m. Cool. All right. No. Cool. So let's run it and see if it works. Cool, so we're getting that, but for some reason it's not going to the classifications because they are capitals. That's why. And both is also capitals. Cool. Let's have a look. There we go. For some reason we're getting outdoor when it shouldn't be. So before we do that, let me just print what. Oh, because I have when creating it lowercase, so that should be indoor. That's why it was using both. Let's test it again. Here we go. We have correct name there, correct hours. Cool. That seems like that is working, and that seems like we've sorted out our problems that we're having, or that I was having. That's question 5.